Hello everyone. As we know, the COVID-19 pandemic has radically affected the life for almost everyone around the globe, with everyone being more careful of their interactions with human and objects. Personal hygiene has taken serious precedence over all other factors in public space. A lot of public places have hand sanitizers for visitors, but they need to be manually pressed to avoid any contact at all. Some no touch hand sanitizer dispensers are commercially available, but they are expensive. Thus, I, Shruti Jain, along with my friend Shreya Dubey, have made an automatic hand sanitizer dispenser using Arduino board that can be used for any press to release hand sanitizer available in the market to reduce the risk of infection due to physical contact. Here are the components required in this project. First is Arduino UNO. It is a microcontroller board based on the ATmega 328P. It has 14 digital input-output pins, 6 analog inputs, a 16 MHz ceramic resonator, a USB connection, a power jack, an ICSP header, and a reset button. It is a flexible and easy to use programmable open source microcontroller board that can be integrated into a variety of electronic projects. Next component is ultrasonic sensor HCSR04. It is a type of ultrasonic sensor which uses sonar to find out the distance of the object from the sensor. It provides an outstanding range of non-contact detection with high accuracy and stable readings. This sensor is used in a medical sonar, ultrasonography, wireless charging, and so on. Next component is servo motor. A servo motor is a type of motor that can rotate with great precision. This type of motor consists of a control circuit that provides feedback on the current position of the motor shaft. This feedback allows the servo motor to rotate with great precision. And lastly, jumper wires. They are used to connect 2 points in a circuit. They have connector pins at each end, allowing them to be used to connect 2 points to each other without soldering. They are typically used with breadboard and other prototyping tools in order to make it easy to change a circuit as needed. Now, let us see the working of this project. As we know, we are using ultrasonic distance sensor, servo motor, and Arduino board. When we place our hand in front of the distance sensor, it will help to the Arduino to measure the distance from the sensor to object. If the object is in the desired range, Arduino will write the servo to 180. Servo motor is mounted on the hand sanitizer bottle and the trigger of bottle is connected to servo via thread. When servo motor rotates, the trigger will press. Now here is the block diagram of our project and the flow chart of the model. Now let us see the circuit diagram of the Arduino sanitizer dispenser. As we can see, we have three components. We have connected the servo motor to the Arduino board using 3 pins, that is ground pin of servo motor to ground pin of Arduino and 5 volt of servo motor to VCC pin and signal pin to digital input output pin 3 using connectors. And we have connected ultrasonic sensor to the Arduino board using 4 pins, that is ground pin of ultrasonic sensor to ground pin of Arduino, 5 volt to VCC, echo pin to digital input output pin 4 and trigger pin to digital input output pin 5 using jumper wires. And now we will see the hardware implementation of the project. This is the programming code for Arduino sanitizer dispenser. These are the references we have used for this project. Thank you.